The sound. Last time we discussed the sound volume and how can we make it louder and make it quieter. Sound volume can be louder by using a large force and make it quieter by using a gentle force. Also, the distance affect the sound volume. The large distance the sound can be heard will be quieter. The small distance the sound can be heard louder. And also we talked about how can we measure the sound volume by device called decibel scale or decibel meter. Decibel meter is a device used to measure the sound volume. The measuring unit of the sound volume unit called decibels. The decibels is the measuring unit for the sound volume. When the number of decibel increase the sound volume, it means it's a louder sound. When the number of decibels decrease, that means the sound volume is quieter. For example, 20 decibels is quieter than is a quieter sound, but 80 decibels is a loud sound. And 100 decibels is more louder than 80 decibels. So by increasing the number of decibels, the sound volume increase. Now in this part, we are going to talk about something else about the sound. The sound pitch. Sound pitch can be high pitch sound or low pitch sound. But be careful. Sound pitch, high pitch sound or low pitch sound does not describe how the sound loud or quiet. Okay, the sound pitch describes the note of the sound. It means the high pitch sound, it means the sharp sound, the sharp sound or smooth sound. The low pitch sound describe the harsh sound. So high pitch sound, it means sharp sound or smooth sound. Like for example, the woman. The woman, its a sound smooth and sharp, so we call it high pitch. The low pitch sound describe the harsh sound, so we call it a low pitched sound. So the sound pitch does not equal the sound volume, does not have the same meaning, the sound volume. When we talk about the sound pitch, we just describe the sound note, how the sound sharp or smooth or how the sound harsh. Okay, type. Pitch is the highest or lowest the sound of an object makes. Object that vibrate slowly makes a low pitch sound. Example like, for example, like the drum or the large drum. The objects that vibrate quickly make high pitch sound. Okay, so the sound pitch describe how the sound smooth or sharp or how the sound harsh. Type. Another example, we have a sparrow, bird, and the lion. The bird has a sharp sound, whatever its sound is louder or quieter, but the quality of sound is sharp. So we call it high pitch sound. The lion has a low pitch sound because its sound is harsh. Whatever its sound was louder or quieter, but the quality of its sound harsh. Type. What the meaning of why the sound becomes high pitch or low pitch? When the vocal cord, for example, we said woman has a sharp or high pitch sound because its vocal cords vibrate faster than the man. Man produces the man produces a low pitch sound because its vocal cords vibrate slowly. So high pitch sound when the something vibrate faster or quickly, it will produce a high pitch sound. When the when something vibrates slowly, it will produce a low pitch sound. Let's talk some musical instruments and how can we produce high pitch sound and low pitch sound. Let's talk about the guitar. Musical instruments make different sounds by blocking, like the stringed musical instrument like the guitar. The shorter the string, the quicker the vibration, and it will produce a high pitch sound. The longer the string, it means the vibration will be slower. That means the sound is a low pitch. Let's talk about how can we change the pitch of the sound from different musical instruments. First, let's continue. First, the stringed musical instrument. We said shorten string, it means faster vibration and produces high pitch sound. Lengthen the string, make it longer. The vibration will be slower, so it will produces a low pitch sound. Also, we can change the pitch of the sound from the stringed musical instrument by tightening the string. Tighten the string. When you tighten the string, it will produce a high pitch sound. When you loosen the string, it will vibrate slowly, so we will get a low pitch sound. Also, using a thin string or a light string or a heavy string can affect on the sound pitch. Using a light string, it means the vibration will be faster. It means the sound will be high pitch. Using a heavy string or using a thick string, that leads to slower vibration and that leads to producing a low pitch sound. Again, to be sure about this point, sound pitch does not describe how the sound loud or quiet. Sound pitch describe how the sound, the quality of the sound, sharp or smooth or harsh. High pitch sound, it means sharp sound, sharp sound. Low pitch sound, low pitch sound, it means harsh sound. But to describe the loudness of the sound, how your sound more noisy, you want to use this concept, the sound volume. Sound volume describes the noise of the sound, how the sound loud, like the vacuum cleaner, or how the sound quiet, like the whispering here. Okay, some example of high-pitched sound and low-pitched sound. The sparrow, sharp sound, so it's a high-pitched sound. Most women, they have a sharp sound, so their sounds is high pitch because it's sharp and because their vocal cord vibrates faster. The lion, for example, will produce a low pitch sound or a harsh sound because its vocal cords vibrate slowly.